This ring from Quontic Bank is a debit card that you wear on your finger. Definitely an odd concept at first, but this is actually an incredibly unique product that I am really excited to check out. All right, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So Quontic offers a number of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, mortgages, and now their incredibly unique Quontic PayRing, which I have to say, after reviewing hundreds and hundreds of different platforms and other financial tools, I've never seen anything like this before. I do want to say a huge thank you to Quontic for sponsoring today's video, but as always, this will be a fully open and honest review, and I'd love to know what you think of this product down in the comment section, and if you do want to sign up and give it a shot and also help support my channel, then there is a link for that down below the like button as well. Okay, so how exactly does this work? What benefits is it going to offer you? And is this product actually worth getting? Well, first of all, in order to get the PayRing, you have to have a Quontic checking account where the funds that you are spending will be pulled from. They have a few different checking account options, including one that helps you earn free Bitcoin, but I recommend Quontic's high interest checking account. Right now, this account pays 1.1% APY on your entire account balance when you make at least 10 qualifying point-of-sale transactions of $10 or more each month. And if you're using this as your main banking platform and you're looking to get this really unique PayRing that we'll talk about in a second, then hitting that threshold really shouldn't be an issue. And earning over 1% for a checking account is pretty competitive right now. You'll get a fully mobile and online banking experience with no monthly fees or overdraft fees and FDIC insurance. I do want to point out here that there is a minimum deposit requirement of $100 when you open your Quontic account, but again, it's not that big of a deal if you plan on using this as your main banking platform. And lastly, you can also withdraw cash for completely free at over 90,000 free-to-use ATMs across the country, which includes both the Allpoint and MoneyPass networks, among others. And if you're familiar with the Allpoint and MoneyPass networks, then you know that they are oftentimes located at some of your favorite retail locations. All right, so if you want to see a more in-depth breakdown of the more standard banking tools that Quontic offers, then let me know about that down in the comment section. But we've got to talk about this debit card PayRing because, again, I have never seen anything like this before, and needless to say, it definitely caught my attention. So really quick, let's go ahead and get this really cool product unboxed just to see what the ring looks like, what it comes with, and how to go ahead and get started with using this product. So again, it's just going to come in this pretty normal white box, and it is going to be tied back to your Quontic bank account and works basically just like a regular tap and pay debit or credit card or any other contactless payment method. And again, this is a MasterCard. So if we go ahead and open up the box, inside we have a few different things. Obviously, in the front here, we have the main ring, and then under that, we have some paperwork that we'll take a look at in a second. But you can see the ring itself is actually much higher quality than I thought it was going to be. It feels really premium in the hand. And if we go ahead and replace my normal wedding band with this ring, again, you can see that it looks very normal and inconspicuous. And honestly, you would never even know that I am literally wearing a debit card or a method of payment on my hand, which I think is really, really cool. And this is really moving the industry in an entirely new direction, which I really love. So Quontic is calling this the next wave of banking technology, and I think that is great in a space that far too often remains stagnant and the same as it was decades ago. With the entire financial technology sector booming over the past few years, it is really great to see someone releasing this really unique product, but how does that actually work? Well, you can see here that the Quontic PayRing is a pretty standard black ring that, again, you can get for completely free right now using the link in the description. When it comes to actually paying for items with your PayRing, you simply make a fist and tap your hand to the card reader like you are knocking on a door, or just like you would tap your phone to the card reader if you are using contactless payment. Again, it's the proximity to the card reader, but also the positioning of the ring itself, so anyone who just waves a reader in front of your hand is not going to be stealing your money or anything, and the ring has to face downwards directly towards the card reader in order to read. Okay, so the first question that obviously came to mind when I saw this product is it actually useful? I know that for me personally, having just gotten married, this is the first time in my life that I have actually started wearing a ring on a regular basis. So I could see a scenario where I am traveling frequently and making a lot of purchases where I would actually wear this Quontic ring in place of my traditional wedding band. I'm not saying that I want the Quontic ring to be my main wedding band, but something that I could substitute in the right scenario. And if you're the type of individual that already wears rings and jewelry, then this would probably blend right into your wardrobe and no one would ever know that you're actually wearing wearing a debit card on your finger. The other question that quickly came to my mind is, what if the battery dies? Are you not able to make a purchase? And the amazing thing is that there is no battery. You don't need to lug around a charger with cables or battery packs or any of that crap. This product works with the exact same tech that is built into your contactless payment debit card or credit card, meaning you don't have to worry about charging it, which is definitely a bonus in my opinion. Quontic also states that their product is built to last and is manufactured to be both water and scratch resistant in order to survive the normal wear and tear that comes with any piece of jewelry that you wear on your hands. And remember that this product is going to be tied to your standard Quontic checking accounts and is essentially being used as a substitute for your Quontic debit card, meaning you can use your PayRing to help meet that 10 transaction requirement each month in order to earn that 1.1% APY. Okay, so I get that this is a strange concept at first, but I think that they are pushing the boundaries of financial technology and honestly taking the definition of financial technology to a whole new place. Plus, if you do decide to make Quontic your main banking platform and utilize this unique product, you can also open a Quontic savings account, money market account, or certificate of deposit, which all pay some of the highest interest rates in the industry right now. Money market and CD accounts are two account options that many other modern fintech platforms do not currently offer, so something that might be worth checking out for you. A few other oddball questions that you may be wondering that I know I was definitely wondering: what if you don't know your ring size? And that's a simple answer. Quontic will actually send you a ring sizing kit, and you then tell them what size you want, and they will send you a ring in the mail that is the size that you selected. And since the ring is accepted anywhere that you see the contactless payment symbol, which is much more common nowadays than it was even just a few short years ago, that means that this product is actually useful anywhere that things like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or Zelle are accepted. Personally, I love the concept, and I think that this sort of thing has a lot of potential going forward, and for the right user, this is definitely a product worth getting, especially if you are a minimalist like myself, since this means that you are basically wearing your wallet on your finger. And honestly, I feel like this is just the first of many unique wearable financial products that are to come, and it wouldn't surprise me if we see these financial technology companies getting more and more creative in the coming years on how to move the industry forward and blend that world of old traditional finance and modern technology, not only on the software side of things as they have been over the past few years, but on the hardware side of things as well. Again, I totally understand that this is a very unique product, so I'd love to know what you think of the Quontic PayRing down in the comment section below, and the advantages and disadvantages that you see from a product like this. Remember, if you want to sign up for your Quontic PayRing and get it for completely free, then I will leave a link for that down below the like button as well. Huge thank you to Quontic for sponsoring today's video and for creating this incredibly unique product that, regardless of your opinion on it, is going to help move the financial technology industry in a whole new direction. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.